Hey everyone, here I have a very nice 2016 Honda CR-V EX. This vehicle is in very nice shape. Fresh set of tires on here. You'll notice that there's not too many scrapes or dings on the exterior. The previous owner really kept good maintenance on this vehicle for sure. Back here you'll notice that there is an enormous trunk. You have plenty of space, very wide and deep cargo area, and you can also fold those seats down. Around back you will notice plenty of space in your back seat. You do have your 3 seats back here with your armrests. You definitely can fit child seats back here. You also get those rear seat vents. Up front you'll notice you do have your keyless entry with push button start. You also have your power door locks, windows and mirrors, heated front seats, as well as your power driver's seat. Cloth is in great shape. On the inside, this CR-V is in pretty good shape. You have your steering wheel, Bluetooth controls, your audio controls, as well as your cruise right here. 156,000 miles. You'll notice you do also have a multi-function display right here. Over here, you will notice you do have an HDMI input. You also have auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth. You have AM, FM, and XM. So you also get CD. So there's tons of connectivity. You do have your AC. It does work very nicely. You also get a second display up here to show you some additional information, as well as a sunglass holder and a sunroof. Come check out this CR-V at Shockley Honda. It's definitely going to last you a long time. 301-694-5400.